You know, in 2002 when we started this thing, I had no money to invest in a startup. I just wanted to keep the roof over our heads and take care of my family and do right by them. We never remotely dreamed that our company, would grow to be what it has become and what we as owners and now founders are so incredibly proud of. You've built Peak Structural into a respected brand in Southern Colorado and beyond. We wouldn't be here without you, and we feel almost like only parents can feel when you watch them grow up, spread their wings, and achieve a level of greatness that the skeptics and doubters would have never thought possible. That's what we're doing here today, and that's what the future holds for us. To get a little bit more personal, 80 plus families are counting on us here to make the best long-term decisions for their future, for your future. Plenty of dads and moms work here at Peak, single people, single parents, all of you guys who have worked so hard. You deserve to know that your career will be rewarded, that there will be incentives for you to really strive to become your best self and to even be challenged to learn new skills. We are uniting forces with the best people and the best company that our industry has to offer. And personally, I can't wait to see what happens next.
And I can tell you this, as of this morning, you are all on the winning team.
Let me be the first to welcome you to Groundworks. Again, it's an honor to be here. We're excited, but that's what we're doing here today. We're taking the two best brands in Denver and Colorado Springs, and we're putting them together with the two best teams, and we're going to dominate this market. What matters is, what are you doing today? Are you grinding and put everything into whatever you're doing, whatever your passion is, to change your life? This is the only company that honors skilled tradesmen and women in this industry. We don't talk about it, we don't sing about it, we get after it. If you want to get after bettering your careers and take care of your family, welcome to Groundworks.